If you want to save a rubric to your resources, if you go into the course where you created the rubric and go to Grade Setup and Rubrics, you can find the rubric that you want to save. So it's this first one that I want to save here, and I'm going to save it to my resources. Rubrics, save copy. Now that'll be in my resources and I can import it into any course. As you saw, another option is if I want to save it directly to another course, I can go in there and I can copy it to the other courses where I know I am going to use that rubric. And I have quite a few that I want to make sure I have that rubric as an option in those courses. And I click Save, and it's moved over to those. So now when I go into those courses, I can copy I'll see that rubric in my pull-down menu when I create an assignment or edit an assignment.